Hello, everybody. Ms. Colwell here with the instructions for our last project for the year. Okay, so for our last project, you are going to be doing a South Asia National Visual Report. So you're going to choose a South Asian country, either Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Singapore, East Timor, Philippines, Brunei, Thailand, or Indonesia, and create a visual representation of the nation using Google Slides as a template guide. And I'll show you that template guide in just a minute. So the slides should be almost all pictures. And then put info at the bottom in the speaker notes, and I'll show you that as well. At least one summary statement per slide. And you are going to use Culturegrams and the internet for your information. So let's take a look to see what this looks like. So introduction slides going to be like a map of your country and then telling us which country you are going to do your visual report on. Malaysia is in Southeast Asia, but you cannot do Malaysia. We're not going to let you just copy the example. Okay, so you have to choose one of the other countries. You are going to do slides on religion. So if you'll notice on this slide, you've got pretty much all pictures with just the percentages underneath the pictures for that religion. And then the quick statement is underneath in the speaker notes. 61 Malaysians are Muslim, 20% Buddhist, and so on. Now, where do you get your information? Using Culturegrams, you would go to the section for people and then religion. And I'll remind you how to get to Culturegrams here in just 1 second. So these are the aspects that you are going to cover. So religion, greetings, language and cultures, ethnic groups, food, gestures, housing, recreation, clothing, transportation, and leadership, the government. Okay, so again, each slide is going to tell you where to find it in Culturegrams, and again, you have to put a summary statement at the bottom, kind of just a quick explanation about what you put on your slides. Okay, so a couple of reminders. Culturegrams. If you are not on a WISD computer, then you have to go to Wiley ISD Net, academic links, and then, it's parents and students, and then academic links. And Culturegrams is in this first section right here. Okay, click on it, and it should take you to a Clever screen to log in. Oh, I was already logged in. And then I click on Culturegrams again here. Now, if for some reason this does not work, if it does not log you in automatically in this area and it gets stuck here, like it looks like, nope, it finally did, then I have put the username and password for Culturegrams right here. So at the beginning of the example slideshow, there is the Culturegram login if you need it. So now back over in Culturegrams, I lost my screen. There we go. You're going to choose World Edition. You're going to choose this is the area that we're talking about. So you can click on Asia, or you can just select from up here. And then you can click on your country. So let's say I'm doing Thailand. So then you use these things over here in conjunction with the slides on where you find your information. Now, you can use the internet to search for that information if you want to. However, everything's in Culturegrams. It would all be in one place. Then you just search the internet for some pictures that would represent the information that you're going to use. Now, the template that you're going to use is a very blank, basic template. All it does is it gives you the structure for your slides so you don't forget any of the topics that you're supposed to cover. So you've got your instruction slide. You would put your, no, this shouldn't be instruction. This should be introduction. So let's change that right now. Introduction slide. So that's going to be your map and the name of your country, then your religion, ethnic groups, so on and so forth. So again, pictures, minimal text, your explanation goes in your speaker notes. And the way this looks is up to you. You can add your colors, you can add your fonts, and just be creative with it. Now, couple of things. This is your last graded assignment for the year. And because of when grades are due, this will be due on Monday. And it's got to be done on Monday because we have to have grades turned in on Tuesday. So for a grade, and has to be completed by Monday, end of day. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can reach us on Google Meets or you can email your teacher. Other than that, that's what we've got for you. So have a great time and we will see you later. Bye.